What's up, Warehouse fam? Welcome back to the Warehouse. I'm going to be showing you a little bit of a tour and all of the inside scoop of what we have for services and amenities here at the Warehouse Gym. First things first, as you can see through the very front, we are a secured facility and we are open 24/7 for members only. So only members that are currently active in our system will have access to our secured app that will allow them access to enter the facility 24/7. Any guest that is here on a day pass will have access to letting us know prior to arrival. We will be able to unlock the door for you, or we can also schedule it if we happen to not be here at that same time. If you do happen to have a week pass, you'll be granted the app for 1 week access, so you can experience the Warehouse Gym for 1 week. The Warehouse Gym has made everything very easy and convenient for all of our members. With all of our amenities here at the front office and our pro shop, you can purchase anything from our Warehouse apparel, anything from a water, energy drink, as well as any treat or food from our partner Dominant Division Meals Company. It's very easy and convenient. You can use our checkout kiosk and you can purchase anything that you'd like 24/7. You don't have to have a staff member for help. That's why it's very easy and convenient. You can purchase it at your own given time as long as you use the checkout, use your card or use cash. As long as it goes through, you are all set and good to go. But as you know, through our fuck around and find out, we also have all of our cameras that work 24/7, as you happen to see on our Instagram through our little Instagram feed that we post through our individuals that don't re-rack their weights. But all of our members know that we have a huge loyalty system. So anyone that does happen to leave cash in our cash drawer is obviously audited through our inventory. But in our cameras, we are able to check as well who is purchasing, who's leaving cash, and who's taking stuff from the front desk as well. So very easy. I'll show you also the first things first. As you can see, maybe you've seen on our Instagram, on our website, YouTube, TikTok, on all of our social media platforms, including Facebook, you can see our rules, our house rules. But number one is obviously no assholes. Seems a little funny and straightforward, but we are very, very diligent in making sure that everyone that is part of the Warehouse Gym is a non-asshole, which would mean that they are very respectful of our culture, our ambience, and will never leave anything behind, clean up after themselves, and won't be disrespectful, won't be doing any crazy stuff, won't be messing around or taking anything else out of context. So everyone that is here is a very safe and good person. So we always ask that everyone goes through our house rules. Number one, no assholes. And then we do have our 2, 4, and 8 being that please re-rack your goddamn weights. It's very simple, very easy. If you take that shit, if you put it on a machine, you best believe you're gonna put it right back where you found it, or we will put you on blast. So nonetheless, I'll show you around the Warehouse Gym. Let's go. What's up, Warehouse fam? So very easy layout. The first 2/3 of the facility will be mostly all of our machines. We do have a very easy setup. So the first left-hand side is all of our lower body equipment. We have plenty of machines, at least 2 to 3 of each variation, including a press, squat variation, extension, curl, right, glue kickback, whatnot. So we have a lot of machines, but 5 custom war machines. As you can see right here at the front, we have a custom pendulum machine with a platform, custom isolateral hip press. It's gonna be the howitzer battle press. Right next to the pendulum, I have the custom isolateral Jeep seat leg extension. And right behind me, I have our custom belt squat with the belt, the cloud belt with the 3-ring system upholstery. And last but not least, one of our favorites, we have the very corner, we have our ATG, our ass to grass, which is a glute drive / deadlift variation. Very easy access. We are known here at Warehouse Gym for our leg dive. It's a very good time. So if you ever have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. We have myself, usually staff here on the weekdays 7 to 7, but I also have all of tutorials and explanations on our platforms itself for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok and Facebook. Awesome. I'll show you as well on the very other side of our entrance, we do have our posing room. So I'll show you right over here. Welcome to the Warehouse posing room. We are going to have an articulated mirror that's custom built as well, and also a mirror that's on the wall. This is going to be a space where a lot of our members come in here and take progress pics, update pics. Your posing routine. If you have a coach that's online, you can be on FaceTime, on Skype, what's the other one called, on Zoom, and you can be back and forth with your coach. We do have different tripods as well as the ring lights that you can use in here as well. And last but not least, we also do offer a scale that you can use for your progress here at the Warehouse Gym. So let us know if you have any questions, but this is gonna be the posing room. Awesome. So one of our next amenities and services that we do offer here at the Warehouse Gym is if you happen to maybe have a shake, a meal to bring in for post-workout or pre-workout, we do have our green fridge here in the corner with access to a microwave as well. We do have napkins, a food scale, we have forks and spoons as well, and also Advil if you need it. But all of the members have access to being able to heat up your meals and also save any shakes or any drinks also in the fridge as well. I'll show you around. We do have 4 restrooms. 2 of the first restrooms are here on my left-hand side. All of our members put all of their belongings here on the table. If you happen to bring a duffel bag or anything else, you can put it here on our table. And if you do happen to maybe bring something as small as your keys or your case for your headphones, you can also put it in our gray lockers here in the corner. All of our members are very respectful, and we do have cameras that work 24/7. So we have never had any issue whatsoever of anything being stolen, misplaced. Anything that members usually find, they'll pick it up, put it here on the desk, or also in our lost and found area. So all of our members enjoy that, that environment, that we keep it very safe for everyone. Awesome, Warehouse. So right after our leg area, we are gonna have all of our upper body section in the middle of the facility. All of our back equipment will be on the left-hand side of the custom mirror wall that we have that's made by Adam Steel. We do have 2 custom pieces for back equipment. First, a T-bar row, and also the Mantis that is gonna be a pull down and also a row combo as well. Right after the back equipment and after the partition mirror wall, we are going to have all of our chest equipment. We don't have any custom chest pieces yet. However, we are working on that right now. Awesome, Warehouse fam. So right after the first whole entire side of the Warehouse Gym, we have our other half. So we do have our other machines being all of our shoulders and arms equipment. We have a few cable towers and all of our dumbbells right on the end corner wall. You can use those as well. And I'll be showing you by going through the middle of the facility. Follow me around. Awesome, you made it back. So, right after showing you all of the rest of our machines, we do have one of the most awesome features that I love since we've added on since our very old location. We have about 6,000 feet of turf here in the facility. It does help a lot for functional training, but not only that, we do have a lot of different machines here for lower back, abdominal, as well as glutes as well, and then the hips. But one of the coolest thing also is that we do have our projector with our cardio theater in the very corner that does allow members to watch sports, ESPN, different games, and also Netflix while they are doing their cardio. One of the coolest things that we have added on, and I'll show you, we do have a custom platform in the very corner. It's gonna be one of the largest wide platforms that has ever been built, as well as the custom Warehouse logo as well. On this side, we do have our 9-station hoist tower that does have different functional training and different stations for also a cable pulley, another rack for bench and squats, wall ball, and also a heavy bag as well. It does have also different grips and stations for pull-ups and different amenities here that we'll have for foam rolls, bands for stretching, and doing other stuff as well. In our red cart right over here, we actually have a lot more items such as wrist straps, knee sleeves, elbow sleeves, and lifting belts as well. You can use those. And we also do have a smaller section of dumbbells in the very corner for any members that want to use those smaller dumbbells here in the turf and not carry them from the dumbbell area over here. We do also have different platforms that you can use for doing any RDLs, if you're using any setups. Let's say you want to use the Deltron and you're a little bit taller or shorter, you can use those platforms as well. And then last but not least, in this corner right over here, we have our last 2 restrooms. We do have our wellness center in the very back patio, a different door, and also secured access. So any member from the Warehouse Gym that wants to upgrade and add the wellness patio onto their membership, you can do so by going to the website, but you will have the second door on your phone. So the same app, but Warehouse Gym, the front door will open the very front facility, and the second one will open the wellness center. So that being said, you will have access to a very awesome and very comfortable fire pit, as well as our infrared sauna that does have 3 different levels of infrared by Sunlighten, as well as our 2 cold plunges that we do have for our members as well. They are 24/7 access. As long as you have the wellness center on your membership added on as the upgrade, you will have access to this outside spa deck. Awesome, how are you doing? How'd you like the tour? Perfect, that's awesome. Well, I'll help you sign up. But just so you are aware, you will have to email us with your first and last name and email address to the warehouseoffice@gmail.com so we can add you to our wait list. Don't forget, memberships are limited and our capacity as well. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please leave a comment down below if you have any questions. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all that good stuff. And don't forget, subscribe to the Warehouse YouTube channel. See you guys next time.